Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we bring to you an off-grid shipping container cabin design with a folding deck. Stay tuned to find out more. Good, welcome back. This is a shipping container off-grid cabin designed using a single 20-foot shipping container to create 160 plus square feet of habitable space. The folding deck almost doubles the space with an additional outdoor living. This video will highlight the design brief of the unit. It will also give you 3D floor plans, full color pictures of the exterior and the interior design, and also a cost estimate checklist to help you with your own shipping container house project. We post weekly videos of modern homes designed using shipping containers, and therefore feel free to subscribe to our channel for inspiring weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers. So, to start us off, we'll look at the foundation design. Before the container unit is delivered on site, it is advisable to have an appropriate foundation to accommodate your new cabin. Use a raised foundation level to elevate the container away from moisture. The elevated position of the container also provides the height necessary to accommodate the folding deck to keep it off the ground. You can use a concrete or a steel pier foundation because it's the most cost-effective and appropriate for this off-grid cabin. Structure and modification. This container cabin is fitted with a 5-meter wide, full-height sliding glass door to provide ventilation, adequate daylighting, and physical access to the cabin. This glazing creates a magnificent viewing frame of the cabin by providing unfiltered views from the inside of the cabin space. This window also fills the space with the much needed lightness to minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. The most iconic modification to this off-grid container cabin is the 5-meter wide full-height opening fitted with a timber boarding shutter, which also acts as a folding deck to the cabin. The original cargo doors are retained to provide additional access and cool breezes to the cabin when in use. The folding deck. A deck is a quick and an easy way to add extra living space to the rather limited space inside a shipping container. Almost the entire front facade of the cabin has been designed to be raised or lowered by 2 hydraulic cylinders attached to the door end. Since the unit has been designed to work as an off-grid cabin, when not in use for extended periods, you can simply raise the hinged deck into the wall position, providing the cabin with the most secure building protection against any vandalism and extreme weather. When lowered to the deck position, the frontal facade is fitted with a 5-meter wide full-height glass sliding door, which gives ample lighting and ventilation to the cabin. The cabin has been designed to work off-grid. However, you can also use it in any other situation, including a guest house in your backyard, or even use it as a granny flat. So when the folding deck is in a locked position, the container assumes its original strength and design in terms of structure. The deck is joined to the container face using custom-designed heavy-duty offset hinges that allow the deck to lay flat and fit into its original position when closed. Insulation and temperature control. The interior is lined with an appropriate insulation material depending on your local climate. The insulation is also essential to prevent condensation, which can corrode the container and also cause mold. To achieve the best results in cold climate locations, use closed cell spray foam insulation. In tropical climate, keeping away heat from your container cabin is the biggest challenge. Insulation blanket with plasterboard lining will do just fine. Interior design. You are encouraged to adopt a minimalist interior design when furnishing a living space inside a shipping container. You should adopt space-saving furniture ideas to allow for multifunctional use of the space without littering it with too much furniture. Use wall-mounted or folding tables, easy chairs, and a Murphy bed to furnish this container space. To save on time and money, you can also use flat pack cabinets for the kitchenette since they are versatile and they come in a wide range of sizes and colors to choose from. To finish off the interior, the walls are lined with plasterboard given a light colored paint to make the interior space look brighter and bigger. Use similar materials to finish the wet areas of the container to create a harmonious interior space. Ensure all the electrical and plumbing works are fitted out first before lining the interior. Exterior finishes. The overall design of the cabin is left with the original colors and markings of the corrugated steel walls of a shipping container exterior in order to help preserve the container's charm and history. In addition, it will help you save on the cost of painting the exterior afresh. To cover off the large and bare walls of the container, a mesh wire is welded onto the exterior to accommodate vines and climbers to introduce some greenery and further insulate the exposed container walls from direct solar radiation. Consider using composite decking as an alternative material to conventional timber because a composite decking is warm to the feet and also resistant to the toughest weather conditions, making it ideal for a low maintenance alternative for an off-grid container cabin. Roof design. The original container roof is retained and given a rust-proof and weatherproof paint for additional protection. Other roof types can also be used. If you live in a region that receives more than 6 hours of sunshine, consider installing photovoltaic panels on the roof to generate electricity from solar energy to run the cabin, especially for operating the folding deck. Drawings. If you like this design and you want to make an extension to your existing house, or you just want to make a family retreat in form of an off-grid container cabin, then feel free to visit our website and purchase the blueprints and give them to your builder or fabricate it yourself as a DIY project. The standard set of drawings come in DWG and PDF formats to suit your preference. For any revisions, design inquiries, and custom designs from shipping containers, feel free to visit our website ShelterMode.com or send us a message on our Facebook page at ShelterMode. So, what do you feel about our off-grid shipping container cabin design? If you have any questions, feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly videos on creative design ideas. Remember to click on the bell in order to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.